This week we're drying off our 3-year-old Jersey cow, Oakley. There seems to be 2 different methods for drying off a dairy cow. One is to stop milking cold turkey. This tells the cow to shut down production because demand is completely gone. The downside could be increased risk of mastitis unless precautions are taken. The second method is easing down production gradually. This might be more comfortable for the cow, but it's more time-consuming and it doesn't necessarily prevent mastitis, as it can be confusing for the cow's lactation system. So what do? Well, we're not qualified professionals, but given this is Oakley's first milk cycle and she's not producing more than 1.5 gallons a day, we decided to combine both strategies. First, we dropped the evening milking entirely. This sudden change should signal to her that she doesn't need to produce as much milk. Also, eliminating evening milking means cutting her daily grain amount in half, which will also help reduce milk production. For the morning milking, we take a little less milk each day, till at the end of the week we stop milking altogether. This gradual decline should also signal to her that demand is going down and she doesn't need to replenish her supply as much. We also reduce her morning grain till it's nothing more than a treat for coming into the stanchion. If you're not sure how long you should milk each morning, you can get an idea when you strain the milk and see how much milk you've got. The next morning you should have a better idea when to stop milking. When drying off our cow, we like to put a little bag balm at the tip of her teats to block the openings. We like to think this helps prevent bacteria from entering the teats and causing mastitis. This is our drying off strategy for this year. If you found this helpful, let us know. Or we'd love to hear if you have a better suggestion. We're always looking to improve things for our animals.